Hi guys, today I'm back with another mould to test out. Now this one is a strawberry. I think it's going to be like a little strawberry container. So I've mixed up some epoxy resin and I've added two glitters, green glitter for the top part and then a red glitter for the bottom part. So I'm just going to fill up these moulds and let them cure for at least 48 hours before I unmold them. I just had to mix up a slight bit more of this resin. And I've still got to go a little bit more. All right, third time's the charm. Okay, so I will just squeeze these edges here to manipulate the green resin down to the petals, and I'll be back in 48 hours for unmolding. Okay, it has been 48 hours. Let's see if this will come out of the mold. Well, that's the lid. Very pretty. Too bad. Okie dokie. So this is, oh gee, that red glitter has really popped. It's so nice. Okay, so I'm assuming, oh, perfect fit. Oh, isn't that sweet? So you can store all sorts of things in there and it fits quite nicely. Wow. Well, if you're looking for something different, give this mold a go, guys, and catch me next time for some more resin mold testing. Bye, guys.